Hey guys, you're back. You're live on CoinMarketCap News. News today, market musings. Article by Connor Sefton says this Bitcoin as legal tender, El Salvador is being told. So guys, you're back. You're welcome to our YouTube channel. Feel free to click on the big red subscribe button below our video. You can also turn on notifications so you get notified whenever we drop beneficial uploads. Give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful, as well as if you want to share this video, drop your comments in the comment section. Try as much as possible to interact with you. So there on the news, it said El Salvador he's been urged to abandon BTC as a legal tender. So the International Monetary Fund says the cryptocurrencies use creates a large risk when it comes to financial stability, financial integrity, and also consumer protection. In a statement, the IMF went on to warn that El Salvador's public debt is projected to reach 96% of GDP in 2026, describing it as on an unsustainable path. So it has been almost 5 months since the Central America country enacted BTC law, and over the time, BTC has tumbled from highs of $69,000 to lows of $32,000. El Salvador has, however, been aggressively by purchasing BTC throughout, with President Nayib Bukele apparently completing transactions on his phone, and the nation has lost millions on its investment. Undeterred, the leader is pushing ahead with plans to raise $1 billion by issuing bonds backed by BTC. It wasn't all doom and gloom in the IMF statement, with directors acknowledging the need to boost financial inclusion given how many adults in the country are unbanked. So, although they said the country's government's chivo wallet could play a role here, they want this ecosystem requires strict regulation and oversight. So, guys, you want to check out CMC's podcast, available on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, and more. So, the wider economic picture, IMF says that the coronavirus pandemic interrupted 10 years of economic growth in El Salvador, in line with many economies around the world, but noted the country is witnessing a strong recovery. So remittances have remained resilient in recent months, and El Salvador has some of the lowest rates for infections and deaths from COVID-19 in the region. But data accompanying the statement also underlines the challenges that Bukele faces under his hardship. As of 2020, 26 of the population is below poverty line in a country of 6.3 million people. And critics of the IMF, many of them in the crypto space, are dismissive of its warnings, arguing that they are motivated to protect fiat currencies in a war turning to digital assets. Bukele was equally dismissive of the latest statement, retweeting a news report of what the IMF said. He added, reading between the lines, it's safe to say that Bukele has no plans to change course anytime soon. So, on a serious note, El Salvador's continued embrace of BTC is affecting its ability to secure loans from the IMF, and negotiations to secure $1.3 billion in funding have stalled over concerns about the nation's pro crypto stance. So, guys, you want to let us know what you feel. I think, in general, the cryptocurrency space has lots of pegs to come, and one thing for sure is that if all things being equal and BTC eventually gets up to $100,000 or $1.36 million as with compared to the likes of gold and all its other competitors in the financial industry, you want to see that El Salvador should be one of the most richest places or richest countries to be in the world today. So those are some of the things you want to note, as well as their BTC city, Bitcoin city, which they have plans for. So guys, that's just all what we have in mind. But I would note for financial advisors, so you want to always do your research if you want to invest in BTC. As your keys, don't forget to stay subscribed, and peace out, guys. One love.